So this worked out pretty well. I'm trying to control a series of Peltier modules from a Raspberry Pi. I needed a separate 12 volt, 20 amp power source, but of course, when you're using a Raspberry Pi, that kind of power is a little incompatible. So I've got a little 12 volt to 5 volt down converter here, which is wired into this guy, and that powers the Raspberry Pi. And then I've got this automotive relay. And how this works is you can actually set it up. Here's the wiring diagram. You can set it up to be to have a ground trigger. So you can do normally off with ground trigger. And all you need to do to turn the relay on is to expose it to ground. Well, I'm using another relay that just takes the ground wire and exposes it to ground on the breadboard there. And this relay can be controlled with the Raspberry Pi. So when this relay goes on, it connects this to ground, which goes on, which brings the full 12 volt, 20 amp power to the Peltier modules.